Sa pamamagitan ng Ningning Project, nakakabawas tayo ng mahigit 6,000 metriko na tonelada ng carbon dioxide emission kada taon. Para tayong nag-alis ng halos 1,000 sasakyan sa ating mga kasada. Kaya't mas makakatulong tayo sa ating kalikasan. And the rest of the world has noticed. This project has already won gold for ESG Integration Excellence and silver for Sustainable Renewable Energy Initiative of the Year for the Asian Power Awards 2025. Congratulations. You have managed to bring Filipino innovation to the world stage. And for that is a very, very important step for the Philippines and, for that matter, the solutions that we are trying to find.